Behind every freedom the press enjoys today lies a series of court battles where the press and the state power has fiercely contested. The press freedom which is enjoyed by the Indian press has emerged after continuous negotiations in the Supreme Court. So here we are going to discuss the first case, which is Ramesh Thapar versus State of Madras. So it was 1950 and India's constitution has just implemented in India under Nehru government. At that time, a journal known as Crossroads was banned by the Madras government. But why? This journal was banned by the Madras government on the ground of public safety and interpreted as a national threat to the security. Now, here is the most interesting part to know that public order ground was not available in Constitution of India at that time, and it was banned on the ground of security of the state. When this case went to the Supreme Court made some clear observations that every disturbance is not a threat to the national security and struck down this ban and held this ban unconstitutional. Now, why this case is so significant in today's time? This case is very crucial in the history of Indian press, as this case made the first amendment of India in 1951, where public order was added in reasonable restrictions under Article 19 Part 2. So this case strengthened the press freedom, but somewhere extended the state power as well. What do you think? That it was this the victory of press freedom, or so the victory of state power? Do let me know.